Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by grabbing the essential info, your device's IP and the router gateway, then log into the router. Once logged in, locate the DNS settings under WAN or Internet. This is where you'll replace old servers. Make sure to keep a copy of the original DNS values in case you need to revert. If you're on a phone, switch to the advanced Wi-Fi settings. On desktop, use network adapter properties. This step sets the stage for consistent name resolution. Next, change the DNS entries. On the router, paste your chosen primary and secondary addresses and save. This affects every device. If you prefer device-level control, open adapter or Wi-Fi settings, enter the same addresses, and apply. Once done, clear the local DNS cache. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushtons. On Mac OS, use sudo killall HUPM DNS responder. Then verify name resolution with enslookup or ping a hostname. This confirms the router or device is using the new servers. Finish by rebooting the router and one or two client devices so cached entries drop and fresh queries go to the new DNS. If pages still fail to resolve, make sure there isn't an ISP or VPN forcing DNS. Disable VPN temporarily and recheck. If problems persist, swap to another reputable provider or restore the previous DNS values you saved. A key troubleshooting tip: use traceroute and enslookup to isolate whether the issue is DNS versus general connectivity. This narrows your next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.